Hi YouTube, it's Candy with Lovely by Nature, and I'm doing the um, drawing the names for the contest winners today. I was meaning to do it yesterday, however, I got caught up in a lot of things, so I'm here today to do the drawing. Again, there are going to be 4 winners, um, with the grand prize winner um, winning multiple soaps, scrubs, lotions, and yeah, pretty much everyone will win the same things. However, the grand prize winner will win a lot more. So here we go. We're gonna do it the old-fashioned way. We're gonna just put. I just put all of the names um, of the people who participated from my YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter pages, and I put them in here. And we're just gonna shake it up and then draw some names. Okay, our first winner will be, and this isn't the grand prize winner, it's just one of the winners. I guess you could call it a runner-up. And that winner is the next winner is the third winner is and I'm not looking. I promise I'm not looking. And the grand prize winner is, this is so exciting. All right, mix it up really, really good. Okay, for all of the winners, I just need for you to send me an email in my inbox. Either one, Facebook, YouTube, or Twitter. They're all pretty much the same. It's Lovely by Nature at Comcast.net. So, yep, just provide me with your information and I'll mail out yours packages. All right, thank you all for participating. It was really fun. I'll be making quite a bit of things that you all suggested sometime in March. Okay, thanks again. Bye.